Essay on bird flu. Bird flu is influenza in birds. There are many strains of virus that cause influenza in birds. The concrete adds is when one or more than one of these subtypes mutate and become infectious to human beings. There are various strains of virus that causes influenza in birds and other animals. These strains of virus are normally not harmful to human beings, but after mutate or adapting to the changing environment they pose a threat to human population. The virus strains which have been defined as infections to human beings are H591, H793, N3, H7N7 and H9N2. Recently in 2005, H5N1 strain of virus has caused an epidemic by infecting a large Asian and European population. It is also known as avian influenza. Human deaths have been reported in various countries like China, Vietnam and Cambodia due to bird flu. Subscribe for more videos. My channel Topper Boy Ravit.